I also spoke to Essar Steel Managing Director, that's Mr. Dilip Oommen, who confirmed that they're looking at another price hike this month and that they expect the EBITDA per ton to improve in the second half of this year. The management also says that Essar Steel is not on the block.
I can only tell you this much, that both in November as well as December, the inventory has not gone up.
Okay.
So whatever we are producing, we are shipping out, we are selling. Post demonetization, there was some panic in the market, more sentiment driven. There was some effect on the retail segment, but we have early on, post demonetization, we took a strategic decision to cope with this situation. We decided to reduce the retail proactively, reduce the retail and introduce those into OEM and exports.
What about price hikes? If things are looking so normal on the ground, what is the price hike you'll have taken maybe in the last quarter of 2016? And also in January, we have heard that a lot of steel makers have increased prices by 3 to around 5,000 rupees. Your take on that, sir?
The price hike is more as a result of the cost push.
Correct.
The coke prices have more than doubled, much more than doubled. The coal prices have much more than doubled.
Correct.
The iron ore prices have doubled.
Right.
We have no option left other than looking for a price rise.
Perfect.
In the month of December, we have taken up the prices by about 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
And we are aiming at a similar amount in January.
How does it reflect on your EBITDA per ton?
See, in the first half, the EBITDA margin was in the region of about 4,500 rupees.
Okay.
And in the second half, we expect that margin to improve to about 6,000 to 6,500 rupees.
Take us through what is your steel making, your blended capacity utilization currently, and also tell us what exactly will your sales be in FY17. You'll definitely be having a target, considering that your sales have been so good in the first 9 months of the year.
Our target would be to reach the 100% capacity utilization.
Correct.
In FY17.
So what will your sales be? Let's talk only about steel sales. For FY17, what kind of steel sales are you? You could give us an absolute number, sir. And also you could tell us current capacity utilization. I believe it's around 55 to around 60% if I'm taking your steel capacity at around 10 million tons. Fill us in, sir. Just give us a couple of numbers.
We are looking at selling in excess of 7 million tons.
But what is the debt currently in the books and how much of working capital?
The long-term debt is around 31,000 crores.
Working capital?
About 9,000.
So 40,000 crores is your total debt that Essar Steel has as of today.
Long-term and
short-term together.
So long-term and working capital.
All right, sir. Is Essar Steel looking to increase the capacity from current levels, maybe organic, maybe inorganic, or if in fact, are you looking at selling any part of the existing capacity?
Right now, no. We are not looking at selling.
All right.
Right now, we are looking at taking the capacity utilization to 100%, and wherever it's already reached 100%, how can we improve beyond that? There is a lot of areas where even without investments, improvements can be done, and that is what we are focusing on. We will continue to ramp up our production until we reach 100% capacity utilization.